hands and feet like an alligator. Ready, steady, go! B. Ball. C. Crescent. D. Drum. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Guitar. H. Horn. I. Igloo. J. Jet. K. Koala. L. Lion. M. Moon. N. Narwhal. O. Oval. P. Penguin. Q. Queen. R. Rainbow. S. Sun. T. Triangle. U. Unicorn. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zip. A. Alligator. B. Ball. B. Ball. O. Oval. P. Penguin. Penguin. Penguins honk and waddle. V. Violin. Crescent. A crescent has two curved sides. O. Oval. Unicorn. A unicorn has a horn like I do, but unicorns aren't real. They are make-believe and magical. Fish. Narwhals love to eat fish. Nom 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 nom. It's our favourite food. Rainbow. Rainbows are so colourful. Drum. Let's pretend. Air drums. Ready, steady, pretend to play the drums. W. Whale. has two curved sides. E. Elephant. J. Jet. Igloo. An igloo is made of ice. Queen. The queen wears a crown. Ball. Balls are round like circles. Guitar. Guitars make music. N. Narwhal. U. Unicorn. F. Horn. Guess what? A narwhal's horn is actually a giant twisty tooth. Cool, right? Zip. Zip open. Zip closed. Yo-yo. Yo-yos go up and down and up and down. They're really fun to play with. Xylophone. Xylophones make music. Whale. Guess what? Narwhals are whales. Violin. Let's pretend. Pretend you're playing the violin. Ready, steady, go. Triangle. A triangle has 3 points and 3 sides. Sun. The sun shines during the day. Narwhal. O. Oval. Oval. An egg is an oval. Moon. The crescent moon smiles in the night sky. Lion. Let me hear you roar like a lion. Koala. Koalas live in trees and they love to eat leaves. Jet. A jet aeroplane flies really fast. Igloo. An igloo is made of ice. G. Guitar. Guitar. Let's pretend. Air guitar. Ready, steady, pretend to play the guitar. your hands and feet like an alligator. Ready, steady, go!